call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Ntombazane kanti kwenze njani lamalanga wena ubamba ifoni ende nami sengiyasola njalo mangifona u-voicemail Ntombazane kanti kwenze njani njalo mangifona u-voicemail
Ngihlezi ngihleli phansi ngicabanga kaningi girl uthando lwami uthando lakho my sports ground I felt like ngimove on inkinga ngithanda wena the memories that you have it will hurt a lot bengifisa ukeniva nedam weekend sabela imizwa nenhliziyo yami baby girl mangabe udlala ngami ngicela ungitshele kusese nami ngiyasola ngiyakhala ngaphakama
Ahlahla shuthi umuntu vele mina hleza ibhari da mina ngihleza ngikhalela into eyodwa umuntu afaye usilakile impilo Ntombazane kanti kwenze njani lamalanga wena ubamba ifoni ende nami sengiyasola njalo mangifona u-voicemail
voicemail ngo-8 o'clock kanti 1 back to 12 o'clock midnight still it's a voicemail angikhona ukulala ingqondo ibiza wena ngicinga ngawe ngiyasola ngapha naye imvula ivele ine-blind since last month and 2 days the same thing angithanda utshwala but i-stress sing-abusile I feel like it's over now cause angeke ngikhona but ngicela ungixolele for what I'm gonna say sebangitshela ukuthi wena ugijimisa imali sebangitshela ngawe ukuthi ungenzela ifavor uyakuthanda awungithandi but still damn I try to forget but I can't
Ntombazane kanti kwenze njani lamalanga wena ubamba ifoni ende nami sengiyasola njalo mangifona u-voicemail
Ngabe wenze njani awusayibambi ifoni